In the fundamentals section, we have seen conditional rendering. But in this section, we will explore all the possible ways of conditional rendering. Conditional rendering is all about rendering or showing only specific components depending on a specific condition. This is very useful in day-to-day UI development. For example, if the user is admin, then you want to show all the items in the dashboard, and if there is a different user, you may want to restrict a few components. Depending on users, the interface changes. This is a very common example you can think of for conditional rendering. I am going to cover all the possible ways through which you can conditionally render a component. For example, using if-else condition, switch case, ternary operator, or logical AND, etc. So let's begin the rendering, of course, conditionally.